Baltic herring is the hidden gem of the sea. Today we're ditching the fancy stuff and going straight to the source. No waiting, no carrying, just raw fire and bold flavors. Watch the technique, the butterfly cut. We split them down the back to open up the canvas. This way, the heat kisses every single inch of the meat, and the spices really do their job. A pinch of salt. Time for herbs. We're loading this up with a massive mix of coriander, dill, basil, parsley, mint, majoran, red pepper and crushed bay leaf. A heavy stream of oil. Every Baltic herring should be drenched in these green aromatics. Line them up. We're packing them shoulder to shoulder in the rack. Look at that color. 2 minutes per side is the sweet spot. You want that skin blistering and the edges starting to crisp up. Pure fire. You have to try Baltic herring with this herb mix. Stay tuned for more epic ways to cook over the flame. And remember, if you subscribe it, you're invited. Bye bye.